Treasure Island. Billy Bones, a mysterious stranger, was living in a rented room at Jim Hawkins' inn. He had set out to look for the treasure buried on Caribbean Island by Captain Flint, chief of sea pirates. Hardly had Billy arranged for the ship and the sailors and got ready to head for the island when he was attacked by a band of pirates. They wanted to snatch the treasure map from Billy. But ultimately, Billy was killed in the encounter. Suddenly, the royal soldiers reached and the rest of the pirates escaped from there. Jim found a map in Billy's secret pocket. In fact, Billy was a companion of Captain Flint. Jim showed the map to his two friends. The map had information as to where Captain Flint had buried his treasure on Caribbean Island. All of the three people hired a ship and arranged for a cook and several sailors. The cook was a one-legged man. He himself had all the sailors appointed. The ship set sail. The night before they reached Treasure Island, Jim overheard that the cook and his companions were plotting to kill them all. They were also on the lookout for the treasure. Jim told his companions and the captain of the ship about the plan. The captain warned Jim and his associates to be careful and cautious. After reaching the island, Jim hid in the woods. Later, the captain, along with some of his crew members, reached the island. While Jim was hiding in the woods, he came across Ben Gunn, an ex-pirate who had been marooned on the island 3 years ago by his crewmates. Ben promised to help Jim. On the other hand, the cook and his companions realized that their plan had been discovered. So, they attacked the captain and the others who were safe in an old stockade. Jim managed to sneak into the stockade. Next morning, the cook, with his friends, again attacked the captain and his crew. Many of the dead were the friends of Jim. Jim decided to escape from the island. As luck would have it, he found the boat that Ben Gunn had hidden. He sat in the boat and sailed out to the ship. Somehow, he managed to board the ship. At that time, there were only 2 companions of the cook on board, one of whom had been killed in a brawl by his own companion. After a terrifying fight, Jim killed the last pirate and managed to steer the ship back to the shore. The stockade was captured by the one-legged cook. Jim and Cook decided to proceed and the treasure hunt began. But the companions of the cook revolted against it. Jim and Cook reached the spot where the treasure had been buried, but they discovered nothing. All of a sudden, Cook sensed trouble and gave Jim a pistol. The companions of the cook attacked them, but the very next moment, bullets were fired behind a tree, and the 2 pirates fell dead. The rest of the pirates fled, sensing danger. The aged Ben came out from the tree and revealed that he had seen the treasure map of Captain Flint and dug up the treasure several years ago. Jim, along with the treasure and his companions, reached the ship. Finally, all of them left Treasure Island at night. In the morning, they discovered that the one-legged cook had disappeared with some part of the treasure. Finally, they returned home and began to spend their life happily thereafter. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.